we have our new box. This is it. Suhan, should we unbox it together? Yes? Let's begin.
Wow!
What do you see?
I see this.
Okay.
So many things.
This
I
is
see a scissor.
100 change collage. Oh, that is so interesting. Look at that activity. I will open it. That's a paper scissor for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have a lot of activities. So these are the bonus activities. Look at that. It says trace and write the letters. Let me just open this package. Oh my god, there are so many activities. Aren't you so excited? So it says day 2. I think it's a puzzle. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, it's a puzzle. And this is activity for day 1. It says bonus activity for day 1. Okay. Let me just keep putting it aside. Okay, let me just see.
What? Food!
Wow, these are the flashcards of different places. Okay, I'll show you one and you have to guess. Okay, another one. Wrong.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, correct. So we'll do this activity.
Wow! Food!
This is painting with light. Okay, he's gonna love this, I'm sure. What do you think? We both are gonna love this. Now, okay, we get a box of colors, some more pictures of the famous monuments. We get that's a LearningPie note. We'll practice our alphabets from this, our sounds.
Oh.
Senior TG rhymes book.
TG! Fine!
Okay, this book is it has all the rhymes in it. This is amazing. This is all the academic stuff here. It has colors, brushes, pencils, stationery set, and
Blue!
mixing palette.
I see some blue.
You see some glue. Okay, can you move on to the next?
Yes.
Okay, that's the glue. Okay, more activities. This is all these activities have days written on them so that we follow the
Day
pattern
3.
as per the school, as per the classes.
Day 3.
Oh, our favorite body parts.
Yes!
We love doing body parts puzzle and
Wow!
activities. This is day 14. It's, I think, number game. Sana? It looks like a number game. 19. So there are so many activities and they all look really amazing. Thank you so much LearningPie for sending this across. We're going to explore these activities together and have a lot of fun.
So let me now quickly show you all the activities that I've received in this box. This is the notebook which has Hindi, English, Maths. These are the flashcard spiral of all the alphabets. And these are the storybooks, rhyme books, and on that's an activity painting with light. This is whole set of stationery with a game. We are loving this game, and some activity bonus activity sheets. Every activity sheet is packaged separately in a plastic day wise, which is so amazing, and I'm totally looking forward to this experience of doing an activity every day in the class. Me and Suhan are absolutely very excited for our online classes with LearningPie. You should check them out too.
Thank you so much, and I think we're going to take an entire day to look at each and every activity, and thank you.